Welcome to today's tutorial on how to use the Volume Weighted Average Price, or VWAP, on TradingView. VWAP is a popular indicator among traders as it helps identify the average price of a security over a specified time period while considering trading volume. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up VWAP in TradingView and how to use it effectively in your trading strategy. Firstly, log into your TradingView account and select a chart for the financial instrument you want to analyze. In the upper left corner, click on the Indicators icon, which looks like a small bar chart. In the search bar that appears, type VWAP. Click on the VWAP indicator from the results, and it will automatically be added to your chart. You should now see a line representing the VWAP price, which adjusts throughout the trading session. Now that we have VWAP set up, let's understand what it tells us. The VWAP line serves as a dynamic support and resistance level. When the price is above the VWAP, it indicates an uptrend, while prices below the VWAP suggest a downtrend. A common strategy is to look for buying opportunities when the price crosses above the VWAP and selling or shorting when it crosses below. It's important to use this indicator along with other tools for confirmation and avoid false signals. Now that you know how to set up and use VWAP on TradingView, you can enhance your trading strategy with this valuable indicator. Practice using VWAP in different market conditions, and remember to combine it with other technical analysis tools for the best results. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tutorials.